In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of your Canon Pixma G5020 printer. In case you are using this printer and you have tried the deep cleaning, ink flush, general cleaning and that has not worked to fix your printer, that means you need a manual printhead cleaning. And I will definitely recommend to watch my first video regarding this printer, and if that methods fail, only then you have to do the manual printhead cleaning. You can simply lift this section. If you don't see any ink in the ink pipes, definitely you need to do the ink flush first, and that fixes the most of the printers. If you already have ink here and it's still printing blank pages, that means you need just cleaning or deep cleaning. So that is a automatic method using this screen. Now in case that everything fails, then we can do the manual printhead cleaning. For manual printhead cleaning, we have to get the access for the printheads. The best option is switch on the printer, lift this section and move the ink chamber. Even for the manual printhead cleaning, I'm not going to remove the printheads completely. We are just going to use a simple damp cloth or a kitchen towel, that is like a tissue towel, to clean it. So let's do that. Right now I'm just using this piece of cloth. So just spray some water, make it damp. Don't put a lot of water. So once you have done it, now go to the inside of the printer. So move the printheads to one side. It should be of that size. You can cut it with the scissor. Just place it here and now press it with the fingers and move the printheads on the top of it, just to make sure it just goes from the top of this. And once you see it on the other side, you can just try to pull it out. Right now I can't see it, so I'll just try to place it here, other way around. You can just try to lift it and move it, so it has a little area to move with lifting. So once you see the cloth on the other side, we can just hold it here and move it here. Now grab this cloth from both hands and you can just rub it here. So this will help you to unclog the printheads. After doing few times, you will see some of the ink will show up on this cloth like that. So once you do that, we'll just close the chamber. Close this chamber and let's print the nozzle check sheet. So go to the printer display panel. Go to the printer display panel. On the display panel, click on the setting icon. Scroll ahead and look for the maintenance and press OK. Press OK to print the nozzle check sheet. So once you do the manual printhead cleaning, the most of the inks starts to work. For example, here we can see all the inks are working. In case any of the ink is missing, then you have to go to the display panel again, scroll ahead, click on the cleaning. So this will start the cleaning of the printhead, automatic printhead cleaning. Because you have already used the damp cloth for cleaning, you don't need to repeat that process again. You just have to go through the cleaning and deep cleaning process. Wait for few minutes. So once you finish the cleaning, then you can print the nozzle check sheet and see if all the inks are working or not. In case still something is not working, go for the deep cleaning and then print the nozzle check sheet. And once you do all the process, you should be able to see all the colors showing up here. And make sure you have enough ink in the ink tanks. And this will help you to fix your printer that is printing the blank pages. And if the printhead is clogged and if some of the inks are not working or all the inks are not working, the process is same for that. Thanks for watching.